Hey, good afternoon, you guys. It's January 25th, 2025. Happy New Year to all of you. I have a really quick video I just wanted to do a quick explanation on. This is a customer's vehicle. I have been tasked by them to figure out why their why their HVAC system, the heating system, doesn't always blow hot air. It's very intermittent. This is something that applies to all cars. This is something that applies to especially the newer cars. A lot of the newer cars have too many little hoses and oil coolers and things like that. And what the customer complained about for this car, which is a Mazda cx9, it's a 2015 or 14. Like I said, it doesn't matter the year. A lot of the newer cars anyway. Or it doesn't even matter the make and the model. When your car blows intermittent heat, sometimes it's really hot. As you're accelerating, it feels great, and then you stop at a light and it gets cold. It's because you have an air bubble. You can be idling in your car and it just doesn't blow very hot air, and then you give it gas and it blows hot air, and then you let off the gas and it blows cold air. That's because there's an air bubble trapped in the system. So what you do is you raise the front end up somehow, drive somewhere where there's a hill, park it on an incline, and you rev the RPMs up from idle to 2500 RPMs and hold it there for a few minutes, 30 seconds to a minute and a half or 2 minutes. Let it off, and then rev it up again for a few more, like minute or two. Let it off, and just do that for 2 or 3 cycles. Drive it around, top off your fluid, and get the air bubble out. That's the easiest way to get the air bubble out of the system without having any special tools. So if you have a heating hot air blowing on you intermittently in your car, that's the first thing I would do. There's other things that could be your problem, but that is most likely your problem, especially if you have done any kind of repairs to your cooling system, like you change the water pump, you replace the radiator, or put a new thermostat in it, or anything like that. If you have an air bubble that gets trapped in your system, you'll have intermittent heat blowing on your face. So that's something to check. Thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for being a subscriber if you are. If you're not, it's free. So if you want to subscribe, that'd be great. And I hope you guys all have a great 2025. Thanks again.